Hey everyone, it's Kit. Just wanted to send a quick video to you in regards to something that's coming up a lot and talking about new homes. There's a few differences and a few different ways that people are financing them, so I wanted to kind of talk a little bit about that. But first, wanted to mention in the email there is a link for you to register for a first-time home buyer class. Feel free to share it with anyone else. It's April 22nd, it's a Thursday, here at my office at 5:30. So if you or someone you know are interested in coming, feel free to talk about a lot of good tips on how to compete in this crazy market as a first-time home buyer, in addition to just kind of the ins and outs of buying your first home. But in regards to new homes, so there's kind of two routes that you can go when you're talking to builders. Some builders, they have bought a huge neighborhood, all the land, and they're developing it, and they're using their own financing to build the homes, and then you come in and get financing for the home once it's complete. So you don't have to get any kind of construction financing. All that you have to do is give the builder enough money for them to feel comfortable moving forward and building a home, and then complete the financing once the home is built. The drawback to a new home being built is the lock term. So you can't typically lock in an interest rate for more than 2 months. And so if it's going to take 9-10 months to have a home built, then we're going to have to wait until we're further into the process of the home being built before we can lock in the interest rate, which just leaves you subject to the rate potentially being higher or lower. So that's with big builders, and that's how most of them are right now. There's not enough inventory out there for a lot of people to go and buy an individual lot, because these big developers and builders are buying up all the land in big chunks. And so that helps as far as just not having to get a construction loan, but then you're kind of at their mercy. You have to build a home that they build. Then if you look at a custom builder is going to be able to build whatever you want, but typically they don't carry their own cost of construction, and so then you need to get a construction loan. A construction loan is like a line of credit where you're pulling out hundreds of thousands of dollars as a line of credit, and then the builder can pull some of that money as the home gets built and pay off the subcontractors to do all the work, pay for the material that's being built onto the home, and then once the construction is complete, then we take a regular loan and we can pay off the construction loan. So again, the rate lock is the only thing that is up in the air at that point, but then we get the traditional financing, pays off the construction loan once everything is complete. And that's more if you're buying your own lot that you picked out somewhere and you're choosing your own builder to do a custom job. So that's a little bit of what's going on a lot right now, because so many people are trying to buy new homes, because so many builders are trying to build them, because we've got so many people moving into the state, not enough inventory, not enough product as far as houses are concerned. So anyways, hopefully that's a helpful tip for you. If you have any questions or need anything, feel free to reach out as always, and I'll be happy to do that. See ya.